Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make two types of tea, masala chai tea and black spiced tea. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. So our first tea is going to be masala chai tea made of milk. On today's ingredients, you're going to need some milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of tea leaves, 1 teaspoon of spiced coffee, 1 tablespoon of tea masala, and lastly, you're going to need a half a teaspoon of ginger powder. In a medium pot, I'm going to pour 750 milliliter of milk. Then you're going to add a half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of tea masala, 1 tablespoon of tea leaves, 1 teaspoon of spiced coffee, and lastly, you're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Adding some sugar, it's optional. You can add the sugar when you're serving your tea. Then mix everything well and let the tea to cook on a medium heat. Let the tea to continue to boil on a medium heat. Once the tea starts to boil like this, take a small sieve and stir constantly to avoid the tea from spilling out. Stir the tea for approximately 3 to 5 minutes so that the tea leaves can blend in well with the milk. After 3 to 5 minutes, my masala chai tea is ready, as you can see in the video, and serve in a cup. And my spiced masala chai tea is ready, as you can see in the video. This tea is so tasty, and enjoy your masala chai tea. The second tea is going to be black spiced tea. Ingredients: you're going to need a half a teaspoon of tea masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 4 cups of water or you can add more, 1 teaspoon of tea leaves, 2 tablespoons of sugar, cinnamon sticks and whole cardamoms. With this type of tea, I prefer using fresh spices. So like you can see, I have 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks and whole cardamom. So I'm going to grind them a bit. Once you're done crushing or grinding them, they should be like this. So it's high time to make our tea. In a medium pot, I'm going to add 4 cups of water or you can add more, that's up to you. Then I'm going to add the grinded cinnamon and cardamoms. Then add 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, but if you have a fresh ginger, it's going to be better. Then add a half a teaspoon of tea masala. I've added a bit of tea masala because I've added whole cinnamon and cardamom. Then let your tea to cook on a medium heat. So basically with this black spice tea, you actually need to add the spices first to let the spices to boil, then afterwards you're going to add the tea leaves. Once your tea starts to boil, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of tea leaves. Make sure you don't add much tea leaves. Then afterwards add 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add the sugar at the end, that's up to you. Then stir constantly and let the tea to continue to boil. Let your black tea to boil for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, then your black spice tea would be ready. After 2 to 3 minutes, your black spice tea is ready, and serve your tea in a cup. And my black spice tea is ready, as you can see in the video. This tea is so tasty, and enjoy your black spice tea. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.